Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. In this video, I am presenting you one more interesting math puzzles. Can you fill the correct values in the square box so that it satisfies every possible equation? There is one more condition provided to solve this puzzle. You can perform any mathematical operations inside the box, but you must use only digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. This problem is more interesting because of this condition. Can you solve this in less than a minute? Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. I will present you the most efficient way to get the correct answer. Let's check the solution now. If you start randomly picking some number and placing it in the box, it will not work most of the time. The most efficient way to solve the problem is by creating equations. First, I will solve the equations, then I will try to satisfy the condition mentioned in the problem statement, that is, to use only digits 1, 2, 3, 4 by performing some mathematical operations. Let's call the boxes as A, B, C and D. Let's quickly write the equations. As per the diagram, the equations are A plus B equals 25, A plus C equals 30, B plus D equals 3, C minus D equals 4. Let's call these equations as 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you observe the equations properly, by using only these equations, it's not possible to find the solution. Now is the time to think out of the box. Let's check the relation between boxes in the equation. We have equations which have relation with each other apart from A and D, B and C. Let's try to build the equation which can have relationship with A and D, B and C. Let's solve equation 3 and 4. By adding both equations, we can cancel D here, which results in B plus C equals 7. This is the equation which tells the relation between B and C. Call this equation 5. Now consider equation 2, that is A plus C equals 30. But we know from equation 4, C equals D plus 4. Hence equation becomes A plus D plus 4 equals 30. After solving, A plus D equals 26. Call this equation 6. Now we have 6 equations. Now let's try to find the value of A, B, C and D by using these 6 equations. Now consider equation 2, that is A plus C equals 30. We know from equation 1, A equals 25 minus B. After substituting, equation becomes 25 minus B plus C equals 30. After solving, C minus B equals 5. Now from equation 5, C equals 7 minus B. After substituting the value of C in the above equation, equation becomes 7 minus B equals 5. Solving this will result in minus 2B equals minus 2, which is B equals 1. This is the value of B. So this is the most crucial step while solving these kind of problems. Once we get the value of one box, then it becomes easy to find the value of other boxes. Let's solve for other boxes. We know now B equals 1. From equation 1, A plus B equals 25. After substituting the value of B, equation becomes A equals 25 minus 1. Solving this, we get 24. This is the value of A. Now we have the value of B, which is 1, the value of A, which is 24. Now from equation 2, A plus C equals 30. Substituting the value of A, equation becomes C equals 30 minus 24. Solving this, we get 6. This is the value of C. Now we have 3 values, B equals 1, A equals 24, C equals 6. Now consider equation 3, that is b plus d equals 3. After substituting the value of b, the equation becomes d equals 3 minus 1. After solving this, we get 2. This is the value of d. Now we have all the values. That is a equals 24, b equals 1, c equals 6, d equals 2. But this is not the correct answer, since this will not satisfy the condition in the problem statement. If you observe carefully, these are the results of 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. Factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is 2 into 1, which is 2. Factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. Factorial of 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24. Hence, the value of box A is 4 factorial. The value of box B is 1 factorial or 1. The value of box C is 3 factorial. The value of box D is 2 factorial. So that's it. By following these simple steps, we can solve the problem in minimum time. The trick is follow the regular procedure to find the value of A, B, C and D. Then extract the values of all the boxes and then try to apply some basic mathematical operations to achieve the intended result. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.